Hello, this video has been recorded for the how to conduct the internal examination. So for that reason, I have made the video. Here, let us take a Gmail ID. This is my personal Gmail ID I has taken. So here we will go for the Google app. In the Google app, there is an option called Drive. Just press the Drive icon. What you are going to get? You will get a Drive. Inside the Drive, do one thing. You open a new folder and write down the internal exam, and then you create a folder, and we can write here internal exam and put a date also. You double click on the internal exam, and here you can create a folder. You can create a folder if you have multiple internal exams or one exam, so just create a folder, or we can directly create a Google Forum. So just press the Google Forum, and there, as per the college, they have conducted the seminar, this semester examination. So there we need to write like this. So here this is an untitled form, so we can write here internal exam with the subject name, and that subject name will be highlighted. So write a subject name, and this subject name we will be just taking this subject name from here, and we copy paste in the title, so it will automatically go and it will be saved as a subject file name here. So first we will write here what is a stream. So stream is obviously we will write here for short answer. Then we will put this required mark. This required mark will give us that a student must mention the stream. So either he will write a stream or we can write the stream. We will by using a multiple choice box, and we will simply write the stream is BTech. So if they are MTech, so we can write here MTech. And simple. So in this way, he need not write a BTech in different caps lock or small letter. Just he will put a click over here. Sorry. Then we will write the branch. The branch is obviously electrical. So we will write here electrical. It may be that we are conducting the exam for the mechanical student. So better to write the electrical, and he will simply click over here, and don't forget to put the required mark that he must click here. This is not optional, it is a compulsory. Then put this plus mark, and then here you write a specialization. Specialization is for the MTech students, so we don't need a specialization, rather we need a registration number. So registration number we do not know, so let it be a short answer, and we can put a number like this, or we can simply leave it like this, and they will write down the registration number, and let us make it a compulsory. After that, we have to write a student's name in capital. So we can write here student name, and in the bracket capital. So by writing a capital letter in the short answer, that also we will make it compulsory. Next we go for a subject code. In internal exam, we can write the subject and just put a short answer, or if we have the subject is defined, so better choose a multiple choice and just write down the subject name. Is control system. So he need not to write the subject name, he will just simply click on the subject. Next is your subject code, subject name, subject code, then the question set. Suppose you are doing the multiple different set of question for the students, so just write subject set as 1, another option you can write 2, another option 3. So if there are 3 sets, we can simply, or we can add a 4 and 5 depending on that. So after the question set, another is date of examination. Date of examination will help just to rather, instead of putting a date like this, rather we use a multiple choice, and here suppose 17 10 2020. So let him just put 17/10/2020. We can write in any format, so it doesn't matter because it's just considered as a text. And just don't forget to put it compulsory. Here I have also commit compulsory. In this way we can just fill up the entire thing. And next, finally he has to upload. When he has to upload, so you can write upload your answer. Upload your answer. So upload your answer. So obviously in the right bracket you can write PDF. PDF is most preferable. So let us, instead of multiple choice, here you write file upload. Just click on the file upload and click on continue. So he will upload he can upload the file. Maximum file size is 10 MB. So because it may have 20 MB or something, put it at 100 MB. It will be okay. And do you want any specific file type? So just click over here and put it a PDF. PDF will be fine. So put it as a compulsory, and that's all. This is all what is required here. After that we can write some instruction that what is a guideline or something we can write over here. Finally we have another thing left out is the we can put a setting mark here. That is important. You can collect the email address, but if first you want the student to just give the response immediately, so email address need not to be collected. So limit to one response, that he can use the link for one response. And edit after submit, don't make this, otherwise he will keep on editing. And summary chart, don't let him see the summary chart that how others have uploaded the answer sheets or something. Maximum size of the file upload 1 GB. Matlab if all the 70 students will upload, the total size will be 1 GB. That is okay. So just click OK on that. So our file is ready. So here we can change the color of this format. So based on the style, we can change the color screen. And then we can just click on the send button. In the send button, just we can collect the email address, but we are not interested. So simply we just click on the middle icon, this, and the link will appear. Just go for the shorten the link and just copy the link. Once we copy the link, our purpose is solved. So we just take the copy the link, and here and then we can go for the mail ID. We can compose, and we can just simply paste the link over here and write down here whatever the dear students, and we can upload the questions over here. And finally our this GoogleForum is set. So what is happening inside the drive is, you can see that inside the drive your GoogleForum link is there, also the folder is there. All the answer sheets will be placed inside this folder. Let me tell you how it is done. We have a drive. Inside the drive we made an internal exam. Inside the internal exam we made the internal exam as a subject, as a GoogleForum, and the folder is created which stores all the files. So this is how we have done it. And all the things are compulsory, that is why it is showing the star marks. So that's all. And here the upload file. So here what mistakes we user generally do is that if edit after submit is done, they can keep on editing. That depend on the faculty. Or we can have a presentation that is not required. If you use objective type questions, so we can shuffle the question order, or we can see the progress chart. We can conduct a quiz also here. So quiz would be better, but as per the internal examination, if they are taking theory questions, so this is not required. So this is automatically saved. And here we can see the response at this place. So here we can see the response. Suppose the time is 9 o'clock is the starting time and 10 o'clock is the end time. At 9 o'clock this will be accepting response. Kindly check it is accepting response or it is not accepting response. At 10 o'clock or 10:10 you just click on the not accepting response, and then this you will not this form is no longer accepting the response. We can see the summary chart by clicking the create spreadsheet. A spreadsheet will be created which will reflect the entire whatever the who has submitted, and these things will be in a timestamp at what time, and this will be reflected on the fields. And this is how you will see that in the folder there is a spreadsheet is also there. This is an Excel sheet. Just click here or right click, open with Google Sheet, and you can open the spreadsheet. And that's all for the internal examination. Thank you very much.